Want to earn $50 a day online, using just your phone or your laptop? No website, no prior experience, and absolutely no investment needed, just smart work. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps real people are using right now in 2025 to make a solid $50 a day, sometimes even while they sleep. And you'll definitely want to stick with me until the very end, because I'm going to reveal a bonus method that can pay you instantly. Alright, let's jump right in. The first step is simple. Pick one earning method that fits your time and your skills. You don't need to do everything at once. For beginners, the 3 best ways to make $50 a day are freelancing, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. Just choose your path and get started. So, how do you start freelancing? Head over to sites like Fiverr or Upwork and create a free profile. You can offer services like writing, simple logo design, video editing, or even managing social media posts. Don't worry if you're new to this. You can use amazing AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut to do most of the heavy lifting for you. Just one small gig can earn you $20 to $30. If you do 2 or 3 of those a day, you've already blown past that $50 goal. Now, if you feel like you don't have a specific skill to sell, try affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and get paid a commission for each sale. Go to platforms like ClickBank, Digistore, 24, or Amazon Associates. Grab your unique affiliate link and start sharing it on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or in relevant Facebook groups. Even a single sale can net you a commission of $25 to $100. It's that powerful. And hey, I've put a link to a more detailed tutorial in the description below for you. Another incredible option is selling digital products. Think ebooks, templates, or planners. You can use platforms like Gumroad or Payhip to sell them. The best part, you create the product just once, and you can earn from it again and again. For example, a $10 digital planner sold just 5 times a day equals $50 a day. Simple math, right? And you don't even need a website, just your product link. To make all of this even easier, you have to use AI tools to save time. They can seriously multiply your productivity. Use ChatGPT to handle the writing, Canva's Magic Studio for stunning designs, and CapCut's AI features to edit short videos in minutes. Remember, the smarter you work, the faster you'll hit that $50 a day mark. Okay, as promised, here's the bonus step for those who want quick cash. If you need money fast, try out microjob sites and apps like Clickwork or Remote Tasks, These platforms pay you for doing simple tasks, like testing apps, labeling images, or giving feedback. They are perfect for beginners and often pay out instantly. So there you have it. That is your roadmap to earning $50 a day online in 2025. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your income grow. If you're ready to start, drop a comment below saying I'm ready, and I'll personally reply with another bonus earning tip just for you. All the links, tools, and free resources I mentioned are in the description and the pinned comment, so don't miss out. Remember, don't just watch this video, start today. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell for more weekly income guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.